Free Snow and Procedural Ice Generator, a dynamic Blender add-on that takes your 3D modeling to new frosty heights. This recently released tool allows users to effortlessly generate snowfall and icicles using procedural generation, a method that produces high-quality, detailed results. What makes this tool even more appealing is that the snowfall function is offered for free. The Free Snow and Procedural Ice Generator is a revolutionizing tool in the world of 3D modeling and Blender add-ons. With just one click, this tool enables users to position snow and icicles on their model. The tool uses the power of geometry nodes to create procedural snow, offering an intuitive and user-friendly approach to 3D modeling. Once the snow has been created, it is positioned above the model, providing a realistic snowfall effect. The size and amount of the snow can be customized according to the user's preference through easy-to-use parameters. The add-on also provides materials using noise and other effects, providing users a wide array of options to create their perfect winter scene. One of the most notable features of this tool is the immediate placement of snow and icicles on various models. Whether it's a character or a building, the Free Snow and Procedural Ice Generator is capable of enhancing any model with a realistic, winter touch. This feature is particularly beneficial for game developers, animators, or anyone looking to add a unique, wintry element to their 3D models. The Free Snow and Procedural Ice Generator is a testament to the advancements in the 3D modeling industry, offering users a seamless and efficient way to create realistic snowfall and icicles. With this Blender add-on, the creative possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Free Snow and Procedural Ice Generator is a must-have tool for all Blender users. It offers an easy, efficient, and cost-effective means of generating realistic snowfall and icicles, making it an invaluable asset for anyone in the 3D modeling field. Start creating your winter wonderland with the Free Snow and Procedural.